The day has finally come, boys. Your boy is finally monetized on YouTube, so we about to get this money. Yo, what's up guys? It's Kevin Pack here. Welcome back to my channel where you're gonna be getting ads because I sold my soul to the YouTube gods. Now, but all jokes aside, my channel recently just got monetized on YouTube, meaning I can make money by doing YouTube videos, which is pretty cool. This isn't gonna be anything I'm gonna be relying on as like my main source of income or anything like that, because honestly, we don't know how long YouTube creators are gonna last in this realm with the next 10, 20 years. We don't know, because do I see myself doing YouTube in 20 years? I don't know about that. But nonetheless, it's still an accomplishment to be able to get YouTube monetized because not anyone can just do this, all right? Only the elite of the elite can be monetized, okay? So we are going to go ahead and hop onto my computer so we can check out how much money I made my first week of being monetized on YouTube. So go ahead, like the video and watch my ads so I can make some money. I'm just telling you guys right now, I'm gonna be making so many jokes about making money on YouTube. It's just happening, okay? I'm sorry, I'm just gonna do it. On a more serious side though, it does take me a lot of time to script these videos and also record and also edit these videos. So go ahead, like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. If you like my channel, if you want to learn some entrepreneurship, business related type of things, it really helps me out a lot. Gets the YouTube gods to notice me and everything like that. So I really would appreciate it if you guys could take a time and just hit that like button. Okay, so here we are on my channel right here. This is my Kevin Pack YouTube channel, my only main channel. This is automatically set on the last 28 days right now. So in the last 28 days, I've got, over 30,000 views, over 2,000, almost 3,000 watch hours. I gained a shitload of subscribers in the last 30 days, 700 plus, which is the most I've ever gotten. Almost 800, which is insane. So thank you to everyone who's on my channel supporting, showing love, commenting, sharing, everything, any interaction you do to my channel, even if it's a negative one, I appreciate you and I love you for that. So thank you guys for this. This is just a nice little hobby I like to do that helps, that I want to do, like just to help people out, because growing up, I wish I had like these kind of resources and I knew like someone to like look out for to help me with like business or financial advice or anything like that. So I try to just give my experiences and my personal advice to help people out of the younger generation who might see this and might find value out of this and set their future up for the better. So here we are on my YouTube channel right here. I'm a small YouTube channel, I have almost 2,500 subscribers, and in the last 30 days, if we hit my revenue right here, I've only been monetized since not this one, but does this count? I guess Monday, June 15th, but I didn't make anything because I think nothing counted. But this is the first day where I really made some money. So June 16th, and I think that was how long ago? About 10 days ago. Okay, so 10 days ago. Let's go look at like the last 7 days. So I could pull that up. Last 7 days, or maybe I should do a custom 7 days. Boom, apply, boom. All right, so here we are. So this is the first week on YouTube that that I actually started making money, and honestly, I'm surprised by this number. Okay, so in 7 days, I made $250 in a week. That's kind of crazy, right? That's kind of crazy, because if you do the math, you do that by 4 within a month, that's like $1,000 in a month. And that's kind of insane. That's kind of weird. It's like, wait a minute, $1,000 from YouTube on a small channel? I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I thought I was only gonna make maybe like $100 a month on YouTube, like at most, because I'm a small YouTube channel. But apparently the CPM, which is like the cost per milli or something like that, but they basically go by every 1,000 views you get paid a certain amount. I thought that I was gonna get paid like $2-3 every 1,000 views, but apparently it's a lot more. It's like $26 or something like that. So I'll go into the analytics and show you guys, but this first week I made $250, but this is not all mine. YouTube takes about 45% of that and I keep 55% of that. So really, I'm only gonna keep about a little more than half of this. So that's something that people don't know. So when they see estimated revenue, that's revenue, not profit. So afterwards, after the revenue, when you subtract the 45% off, that's profit. So that 55% is my profit. Okay, so really it's gonna be about like, I don't know, like 125, 130 or something like that. So if we hit the revenue tab right here, we'll see the CPM right here, $30 actually. So that's a lot. That is a lot. And that's like usually what I typically see. I think on the average on YouTube is like $3 or $4 or something like that, you know. And I thought I was only gonna be getting 2, but since I'm a business channel, it made sense to me that when I realized like, oh, people pay more for ads to be shown. They have the money to pay for more ads in front of other business channels. So that's why like I earn more when people see my ads on my channel, because there's so many other people paying to put their ads in front of everything. But like if you go to like a food or gaming channel, people aren't really there to like make money or anything like that, or put their ads or sell their courses or anything like that. So their CPM is a lot lower. It's more in like the below $10 range, maybe like, you know, 4 or 5. I heard the average is around like $4. That's what I heard, and I thought I was gonna get less. So $30 is a lot. That's way better than I expected. So I'm happy about that. And what's funny is that because me and my friend Adrian, we would talk about this. You know, he has a YouTube channel too. I'll shout him out right now, ABC Garage. You know, that's my homie right there. You guys can check it out if you guys are into cars and everything. But we used to talk about like, even if we made like an extra like $10 or $20 or even $100 from YouTube, even though we put in a lot of hours into it, that'd be so cool. And I can't believe it's actually happening. So I'm really grateful for this. It's really cool to be making money on YouTube, even though I put in a shitload of hours for this. But you know, this is what happens when you put in the work and you're consistent, and you know, bring value and everything. So I'm happy that I'm making even a penny off of YouTube, and it's just a blessing to be able to do this as a hobby and just get some kind of profit out of it. So I'm blessed by this. Super happy about this. Now the process. Now, how did I get monetized on YouTube? And if you want to make a YouTube channel, what's the process going to be like? So there's 2 requirements. Number 1, you have to have 1,000 subscribers minimum. And number 2, you have to have at least 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. And I'm not going to say that was pretty easy to get, because it took me a while. I've had my YouTube channel for a few years now. But you know, this year I recently started getting back into it, or the last 6 months. So it wasn't easy. It took a lot of videos and everything. So that's kind of the requirements. And then once you are you reach those 2 thresholds, then YouTube will basically invite you into being monetized, and then you have to apply for it. And the application process was super simple, very easy. Just like answer a couple of questions or here and there, that's it. And then how I received my first check, I don't have my first check yet, but to receive your first check, you have to make sure that your revenue reaches over $100, and then they'll send like a PIN code to verify your address, and it takes a few weeks to do that, and then you verify it, and then you get a check. Boom. That's really it. That's the process. So I'm waiting for my PIN code to be sent out to me. So yeah, so that's how I got monetized. You know, $30 CPM, that's freaking great. In the last 28 days, I made $328. So I think once I hit that month mark, I think this could be maybe like $600, maybe 600, 700, maybe even 1,000. I don't know. Depends on how well I do. So keep watching my videos. Keep watching the ads. Let them play out. You know. But no, I'm just kidding. I'm just playing around. So yeah, these are my recent views. This EIDL loan program just got a crazy amount of killings. This video alone, I think, made me a lot of money. Let's see. Yeah, this one got me a shitload of subscribers, 200 subscribers, and I made over $200 from this one video. So yeah, just putting out content related to my business and stuff. So this is really cool. So yeah, that's the inside scoop of how much I've made in a single week on YouTube. So super happy with that, man. I thank you guys again, all the support, all the love. So hope you enjoyed this video, give you some inside scoop on here, and I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, go make that money. Peace.